Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to block contact from our contact book in Samsung Galaxy S22. How to block contact that is available to us in contact books. So in our phone book. So contacts, and here we have our few existing contacts. Let's say we want to block one of them. We need to go to this little hidden menu under the three dots more and block contact. Yes, as you can see from this little pop-up, you will no longer receive any calls or messages from this contact. Yes, block, back out, and this contact is now blocked. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.